Hey there, welcome back to Technical Side. Today we have an exciting tutorial for all you Mac users out there. We're going to walk through the step-by-step process for installing Ubuntu on your Mac. So let's dive in. So first thing we'll have to do is, is to download the Ubuntu image. From Ubuntu webpage. Download the latest version. Alright, so I have this image already downloaded before, so I will skip this step. Okay, so we'll need a USB drive and Rufus. So we'll run Rufus. I will connect my USB drive. I will select Ubuntu image. Alright, so it's select. Alright, hit start. Write it in DD image mode. Okay, and okay again. So give it some time until, so wait until it's done. Hi there, welcome back to Technical Side. Alright guys, so here's the USB drive we have created before in the first step. So we're just gonna plug it in the MacBook. Alright, hold option key, this key in here, and the power button. Keep holding the option key or the power. Okay, I will keep holding this key. So here's the drive, here's the USB drive. Click on it. Select try or install Ubuntu. Okay, so we'll go straight and install. Click the install button. Okay, so select the language you want from the left side. I will stay with English. select install Ubuntu. Select your keyboard layout. I will keep continue. If you want to install the drivers and all updates will Ubuntu, the same time Ubuntu is installing. For me, I will just skip to save time and keep this video a little bit shorter. I'll go with continue. I will select normal installation and install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware and additional media format. Click continue. So here is if you want to erase disk and install Ubuntu. Okay, so just we'll go to OC advanced features. So what we will try something else. Okay, so select the drive you want to install Linux on. I'll go with this drive. Mount point. Select slash. Okay. Click install now. Click continue. Click continue. Give it any name. Create a password. Continue. Now it's copying the files. So the installation is complete. I will restart right now. I will remove the USB drive. And there you have it. You have successfully installed Ubuntu on your Mac. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you later, guys.